everybody, it's Kiki from Team Reese Travels. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, we welcome you, and if you are not new here, we welcome you back. We appreciate you for being here. Hey, guess what, y'all? I am back in the city of St. Louis. If you remember, I was just here. You probably just watched the video of me in St. Louis. This is a different trip. I'm back again. Been ready to give you a room tour. So this is a different room than what I stayed in my last trip. I think I didn't do a room tour last time, but I was telling you guys in one of the videos about how I stayed at that Hilton that was like at the ballpark where I could see the ballpark from my room, and I had like that rooftop bar on the building. Different hotel. We're at the Embassy Suites this time. Embassy Suites in downtown St. Louis, and I'm about to give you a room tour, so stay tuned. Room tour. All right, so as you enter into the room, we're in room 350. Room 350 at the Embassy Suites. You enter in, and to my left, I have some seating here. This is a suite, so this is kind of a living room area. So quick pan of the living room area. I have a chair here, I have a couch, nothing fancy, a little dated, but that's all right. We got a suite, we happy with it. This lamp, I like the lamp. The lamp has some electrical outlets on it. I think there's two. Yes, two electrical outlets on the lamp. Got a nice mirror up there. Hey y'all, hey y'all. Oops, I'm knocking stuff down. Nice mirror up here on the wall. Ignore my bags, I just got here, so all my stuff is out. This is not wine, y'all. This is my umbrella. Ain't that cute? I got that in Disney Springs. But we got a coffee table here. Over to the right, we have a nice size TV and some storage underneath. Got a few drawers there. One large drawer at the bottom, and then the two drawers there, two small drawers. Over here, we have a dining room table. So we have seating for 4. All my stuff is out, my laptop, phones, all of that. But we got seating for 4 here, 4 chairs and a table. Over here we have a kitchenette, sort of wet bar type area here. But we have a sink, another mirror. There's a lot of mirrors in this room. They want me to see myself all day, I guess. Anyway, we got the sink. We have a single cup coffee maker here, or a double cup maybe, I don't know. I don't drink coffee, y'all tell me how it works. I don't drink coffee too much, but it looks like it might be a double cup coffee maker. And all the coffee essentials are here. You got some creamers, some equal, and some tea bags too. Up here we have a microwave, so you can microwave your leftovers if you have leftovers. Down here we have a refrigerator. I got 2 complimentary bottles of water, so my water is in the refrigerator. It's a neat refrigerator. It's got some different compartments and stuff on here for a mini fridge. This is a closet. So, closet here. Let's go in. Pretty basic, standard, I can't even talk. Standard closet. Up there, we have a iron. I already used the iron, so that's why it's not in its place. But down here, we have a safe, ironing board, you know, the basics for a hotel closet. Now, continue down the hallway, and over here to my left, we have the bathroom. Now, I really like this bathroom. To me, the bathroom seems a little bit more modern than the rest of the room. I don't know why, I don't know how, but it just stands out a little bit. It's not as dated to me as the rest of the room. But look, we just have a basic sink here. Of course, we have some toiletries, some tissue, some toilet paper, towels, and extra toilet paper down here. Toilet, of course, can't have a bathroom without one of those. Some artwork on the wall. And this is my favorite part of the bathroom, the shower. The shower has glass doors and not a curtain. I'm excited about that because y'all know what? We don't like them curtains. Who want them curtains like sticking to it? I'm getting sick just thinking about it. Those curtains sticking to your body when you get out the shower, and you just think about all the different people's bodies. Let's move on. We have a glass door. So we exit the bathroom, go to my left, and this is the bedroom. So the bedroom has a king size bed. I get this bed all to myself. Yes, yes, yes. And we have a lamp here. Let's turn the light on. We have a lamp there. The lamp does have some electrical outlets on both sides. I will tell you that I tried to use that for the iron and it did not work. So I don't know if maybe it's because the iron has, or the lamp has to be on for it to work or what, but it didn't work for me. Also have an alarm clock there. Over here we have a TV. Plenty of storage space underneath the TV. Nice dresser. And this I really like too. We have a full-length mirror and it's a wide mirror. A lot of times hotels will have a full-length mirror, but it'll be like half this size. It'll be real skinny, and y'all know I'm not skinny. I need a full-length mirror with this gonna fit my whole body in the frame of it. So we good here. This one works. And we have some artwork on the wall here. More artwork over here by the desk area. So this is a pretty neat desk. We have a desk chair. It does not have arms on it, but it doesn't look like the least comfortable desk chair I've ever seen. Nice size desk, plenty of room there. These little things like this though, see how the desk is like chipping right there? This, another one over here in the corner. And then we got like some paint or something on the wall there. Like that kind of stuff. The room could use a little tender loving care. That's all, just a little TLC. But it's not a bad room. See, little stuff like that. Definitely could use some TLC. Look out here, y'all. This is downtown St. Louis out here. So it's not the best view. Definitely not as good as the view that I had the last time I was here in the other hotel. But it works. It's a neat hotel still. Oh, we have another lamp and nightstand in this corner. So it's a king size bed. If you had two people in the bed, both of y'all got a nightstand and a lamp with some electrical outlets. Oh, and the one thing I forgot to share, over here, this lamp has an outlet too. So there's plenty of outlets in here all over the place for you to charge things up. What I don't really see is USBs. I don't see those. It's all electrical outlets. So I would maybe plan on bringing, if you have USBs and don't have the block for them, maybe plan on bringing some kind of USB tower or something. Hey guys, before I get out of here, I just wanted to share a few additional details about this hotel. Listen, in my opinion, Embassy Suites has the best breakfast of any hotel I've stayed at because they offer made-to-order omelets. In addition to standard hot breakfast items like eggs, sausage, bacon, potatoes, they also have fruits and pastries and cereals, coffees, teas, all of the traditional breakfast items. And listen, y'all, that's all included with your stay. That's a good hot meal, not none of that old continental breakfast stuff, okay, because we like to eat, all right, not snack. There's also an indoor pool, and like most hotels, there's an exercise room available as well. Now let's talk cost. Costs tend to run a little bit more expensive than a standard hotel room, but not by much. And remember, that cost includes a suite style room, which gives you much more room and much more space than a standard hotel room. It also includes that great hot breakfast that I was just telling you about. And this particular location also has a cocktail hour every day from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and whatever cocktails you order during that time period are included. So we really feel like Embassy Suites is a good deal because of all that you get for your money. Now, don't expect Embassy Suites to be top-notch in terms of being fancy and extravagant. It's not that, okay? Don't expect that. But for what you pay, I think that you get a good room, lots of space. You get a lot of things included that you wouldn't get in a typical hotel room. And for that reason, we think it's worth the cost. But anyway, that's it for this room tour, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hey, if you clicked on this room tour because you are either looking at booking this room or looking at booking this hotel, or you already booked this hotel and you just wanted to see what the room would look like, comment down below and let me know that. I would love to hear from you. Just be like, hey, I'm here. Hey, Kiki, how you doing, girl? Thanks for this video. Anything. Hello, I hated this tour. That's fine too. If you want to put that, put it. But that's okay. Just say something, because I love chatting with you guys in the comments. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I am Kiki. I am so glad that you came, and I just want to tell you to please remember to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a video. And until the next time, Team Reese all day.